Hello students, so this is the quiz program. So here you will make some mistakes. Okay, so what is that? Here you have used a combo box, and in that combo box you have stored some values like answers, isn't it? In a design view, so here in design view you are assigning some answers here, and see here the right answer you have coded. See the code here. Combo box 1 dot selected item C programming language. Combo box 2 dot selected item equal to option, then score equal to score plus 20. So here also the correct answer is C programming language. If user selects C programming language, then score should be score plus 20. And here also if the user uses option, then score should be score plus 20. See here the options you have given. Which one is not a VB.NET tool? Text box, radio button, label and option. Okay, see the correct option answer is option here. See here in this design view you have written capital O small p t I o n. Okay, so while inside in code also you will have to give the same spelling. So here it is correct, capital O p t I o n, capital O and small p t I o n. So and here also C programming language, capital C, it is intercap, C, capital P, capital L and all others remaining in a small letter. So here you have given C space is there, everything is there, and in design view also you will have to give the same string, otherwise it will not match. Okay, and in someone's program I have seen that even if I click all the right answers, it gives only 80. It marks it gives only 80. That means here you have made some mistake in spelling mistake. Okay, even a space and capital letter, small letter, everything counts. So you should be very careful. So in code also C programming language, and here also in design view also you should give the same text. Okay, see here the OLEDB command methods to execute the commands. Okay, we have execute non-query, execute reader and execute scalar. Execute non-query while using update, insert or delete statements, and execute reader to return rows from the table, and execute scalar we have not used it, to set, to return a single row, single value. Okay, to return a single value. Okay, but just to see execute non-query and execute reader because we have used it in our program. Execute reader to return some rows while using select statement. A select statement will return some rows from table. So for that I just use execute reader, and execute non-query while using insert or update or delete statements. Okay.